Plan for who?
For the great Jonathan Majors.
What do you mean you have a plan for this, brother? Tell me about this plan. We'd love to hear it.
Alright, so here we are. We're plan for
Excellent. And this was from Law and Order, Criminal Minds. I can see it now. Tonian is going to be the prostitute. Whisper is going to take away majors for you to get out of your problem, and then the agency will be fine, and I'll be fine, and Mullins will reappear, and Netflix coming soon.
So me sit on your son and tell you about my plan. And that's the best you can behave? Sarcastic about it?
Come on, man. Hold on. Me go be serious for a second. That how what you call a plan? If you put one little girl like she just take pep and put her on back road for just like prostitute. If you try to catch a man to sit down right now in a Mullins chair, I plan that.
Well, me just go to go play the prostitute myself.
A joke, yeah, right? You play with prostitute.
You listen to me. The brother you plan to take down the agency in less than a week. That's the plan, and that's where I go stick to. So it's either you're with me or you're not. Which one of them?
Where's the plan is again?
Sit down and listen.
May I listen? Hold on. Give me a minute. Hello? Yes. Oh, Miss Jen. How you do? Yeah, yeah, man, but do me a favor now. I'm in a very big meeting right now. Could you just I'll call you right back. You see, this is the number I can get you on. Yeah, man.
I'll order.
Yes. Tell King I'll be here tomorrow. Yes. Thank you very much for calling. Bye now. Good. You were saying? No, hold on. We still wait here about the plan. Anyway, in the meantime, I'm just gonna be sitting here and wait until this heavy rainfall ease up here. And feel free to bring a little coffee.
Raymond. Raymond. See the coffee here.